To do this trend, go to any editing application. I'm using CapCut. Now go to New Project and add your 4 photos or videos on whichever you want to make this trend. Now select Format 9:16 and then adjust your clips to full screen. Now add audio. Audio link is given below in my description. Now set your clips to this time duration. Now add text. Type your first text and then place. After that, adjust the text layer till the end of first clip. Now after this, type the second text and then apply the text layer till the end of the video. Now check your video and then export. Now you're ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.